Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to connect Hostinger domain with Wix website. By the end of this video, your Hostinger domain will be connected to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, we need to log into our Hostinger account as well as our Wix account. Go to your Wix account. Make sure that you have purchased a premium plan on Wix. Otherwise, you are not able to add your own custom domain. If you want to upgrade to the premium plan, just click on upgrade now. Select the website for which you want to upgrade. And after that you can purchase any plan depending on your needs. As I have already purchased the premium plan, so I will go to my sites and then select the site with premium plan. Now from the left menu, I am going to click on settings. After that go to Hostinger H panel. Now from the left menu click on domains. Select a domain that you want to connect to Wix. Select DNS/name servers from here. After that click on change name servers. Click on change name servers again. Go back to Wix. Add your domain name here. After that copy the Wix name servers from here. Go back to Hostinger and paste them here. And then click on save. And in this way your Wix domain will be connected to Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.